Hello guys, today we're going to be changing out a light in a shower to a newer LED light. Should be a very basic fix. First we'll start out, there's a glass plate right here. Just going to slide it and give it a little twist to take it out. Just a piece of glass. Next thing we'll do is remove the bulb. Always make sure your power is off to the light you're going to change. I've already turned the power off. This is an old incandescent bulb. It uses 60 watts of electricity. Now we're going to get in and release this. Inside, you'll see there's a couple little clips. This particular model, you'll just push the clip in to release the light. I'm going to have to do this with both hands. That worked out well. And you'll just pull down on this. On the sides, I don't know if you can see it, these little brackets. You're going to squeeze these, the two little clips. Just squeeze them together. And there's another set on the other side. And just pinch them to get the whole light out. So we've removed our other casing. Okay, this is going to be our new LED replacement. You'll see the bulb is built into it. And the nice thing is this screws directly into the other one. So you don't have to do anything. This screws in just like a light bulb. You don't do any electrical work yourself. And this, where are we at here? It's going to be 650 lumens, 120 volt, and it only uses 8 watts of power. So this uses 8 watts compared to the last one is 60 watts. So you're going to have a big energy savings. So we'll screw this in.
I want this to be somewhere else. Okay.
And we're going to put the wires inside. And the same thing with our clips. Our two clips are going to get squeezed together and put back inside.
Looks like a pair of tiny teeth. Can I feel?
Squeeze the clips in.
Let's do everything in the trash. Was it on the
You'll see inside here the little clip holders.
No.
You just squeeze the clips into those spots. You'll push the wires up out of the way. And then this will just slide back up inside. Move all these extra little pieces out of the way. It will move right up inside the hole. You just kind of twist it till it's flush. And we're done. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.